Hi there, thanks for watching my channel, Mash Artist Makeup here. Today we are doing a detailed course on how to get the perfect blend for that go-to smoky eye. Bam! Let's get started. Starting with just some translucent baking powder underneath, and I am using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Vault in Dark Magic. Opening this up, you'll see it's got a lot of dark sultry colors, and we're going to be using a color named Poof, another transition color Shh, and another transition color Mojo, and the last one is Temptress. Starting off, dipping into that Poof, really just going along the brow bone, and this is just to create a flawless blend. I don't want my dark colors to go too high up, and so this helps achieve kind of a boundary line. Once we've got a solid base with that fleshy tone, we'll go in with the color Shh. This is a beautiful warm brown, very bold, but you will see I'm really gonna blow it out and really soften it up so it has the perfect transition. And the key to this is always starting on the middle of the eye, kind of right at that crease line, and then slowly bringing that up. And once I have some on my brush, I don't continue. Like when I'm never re-dipping. Once I have that lid, I'm just using the color on there to push up. And I find that using your finger to pull up your eye ever so slightly, not tough because we don't want to create wrinkles, but just enough so that we get that skin tight or taut, it's just going to help out blending. And again, there's absolutely no product on my brush. I'm just using the colors that I already have on my skin and just pulling those up, because that's the key to blending, is just using what barely you can and pulling up. And then super quick, I'll just show you that I like to match that on the other eye. I will show one eye slower and then speed it up. Next, we are going to go in with a transition brown. This is that Mojo, beautiful coffee brown. And I'm going to go in just under the crease of the eyelid and continue doing that same method of kind of starting it deeper and more full with pigment towards the bottom, and then really just with what's left over on that brush, or slightly cleaner brush, blend upward with that product that we already have existing on the eye. We try to remain to not add product until we absolutely need to. And now we're going to go in, just make sure everything's really blended with that Mojo color before we go in and add a second transition. And this is our last color. This is the color Temptress, a very bold, beautiful black color. And I'm just showing you the end of that brush. You can really see how little bit of product I had on there. So it's not even enough to cover my eye, and that's okay, because you can always go back in and dip and start really pushing that color around, because this is the part, it's such a dark, bold color, it's going to show a mistake super easy. So we just want to make sure we're using as little products as necessary to blend upward. And that teeny tiny circular motion is really the trick to blending. Pushing this existing color up and smudging it with what already is there is going to be the easiest way to blend any colors seamlessly. And once we have that, we'll work on that other side and really get in there, and showing you that I use that slight pickup method throughout my whole entire blending process. Just a little less the further it gets down. All right, now I feel we're really even, we're solid. We can use a clean, fluffy brush to wipe off that translucent powder from the baking procedure. Now that we have all our dark colors, and this will get off any droppings or something that fell from the eyeshadow, any pigment dust. Once we've got that, we're going to go in with a MAC black eyeliner. This is Cat's Meow. It's part of their Modern Twist Cahill liner. It's a self-sharpening twist up eyeliner. I really love this super true black pigment it has. It's very bold. It's safe for the waterline, and I find that it doesn't melt away at all throughout the day. Going in both eyes really quick on that waterline, just really smoking out that bottom. I don't want to add any eyeshadow down there because I just want this to be a clean everyday smoky eye. Going in with my two favorite MAC products, the brush and the light Studio Fix Perfecting Powder. I use this underneath my eyes and in all the areas I want a little bit of a subtle highlight to. I'm going to be using that on the nose, the forehead, and then my crease lines or my smile lines. Beautiful, just solid, it cleans everything up. Using Duo eyelash strip adhesive and a tweezer to apply my Morphe lashes. These are the line Chummy, very beautiful and full. Going in, I find it's easy to kind of look down with that angling, really helps pop on those eyelashes. And again, if you want more help with the eyelash, I have a whole nother video I will link below, and you can click that to further your research on eyelashes alone. Once you have them set in place, use a quick fan to dry them. I just like this easier, kind of speeds up the process. Last step of this is going to be the MAC Prep and Prime Facial Mist Setting Spray. Beautiful, smells. This one's rose. And then I just dry it real quick and try not to move until it's fully dry with my fan. A quick brow set. This is the MAC Cosmetics Brow Set Duo. Going in with the translucent just to get the shape, and then I'll tidy things up with a darker brown. Not for eyelashes, even though it looks like a mascara wand, and the pretty brown would definitely be a good look. But this is just to tidy up and perfect every angle of the eyebrow. Once we have that precise, we would go in with the Benefit Roller Lash, a beautiful mascara, super easy to use. I just love how the wand kind of has a natural curl to it, so it just really helps those eyelashes stretch and separate. Once we have those on, we'll do that bottom part as well, really make those natural lashes on the bottom pop out, and a little bit of gloss on the lips. And we have it. Here goes the ending look for this beautiful smoky eye. I love to do smoky eyes. You can use any color transitions, and just remember that same process that we taught you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys had fun with this. Please like and subscribe to the link below and share my channel to your friends. Thank you.